Welcome, I'm the WordNerd. This is Canon Cost Ministries. Let's dig deeper. So today I have a February faith bullet journal setup video for you. Another faith journal video. Love it. So if you haven't already, check out Why I Encourage You to Journal video. I think it was my last video. It'll be linked in the eye and down in the description. So love how this came out. So let's go over January really quickly. So this first spread is like a planning spread, and then the cover page. Didn't really like the planning spread, so I'm gonna switch that up. Added the pastel purple color you see. Wasn't in my video, but really like that. Calendar worked out great. Love categorizing. I just needed more room for also writing down and also for my prayers, so we're going to switch that up a little bit. One word a day, definitely keeping. All these I'm keeping, so yeah. Then we get into dailies. Those are personal, so not going to show you, but let's just get into setting this up. So the first page we're doing is the quote page, and I chose John 3:16. February is the love month, I guess, because of Valentine's Day, although I think you should do something special or selfless, or something that shows your significant other, spouse, whatever, that you love them on a daily. So but it's still fun. John 3:16 is kind of like the love verse from God to us, so thought it was appropriate, so I decided to hand letter it. Came out really good, not like perfect, but it came out really good and I like it. So there's that. So the cover page just says welcome February 2019 in some light bulbs. So my theme is light bulbs and hearts, and I just like light bulbs. I like doodling them, I like coloring them. I don't know why. I know, might be a little weird, but whatever. So I totally messed up this welcome. White pen saves the day because can't hardly tell that I messed up, so pretty excited about that. So then I just put some hearts and little doodles in different kind of styles within each light bulb, and I think it came out really good. So took forever to choose my color palette this month, and I've chose 2 Tombow dual brush pen colors, and so the darker pink that you're going to see me color in the hearts and the February with is 743. The lighter pink is 723. The yellow is 55. And the purpley color is 665. In case I forget to put them in the description. So just doodling, finishing up that. And then the next page we come to is the calendar page, which is where I record what I read and or study during a day. Like I said before, I ran out of room, so these boxes are a lot bigger. They're 7 by 7 squares if you're interested, and I hope I don't need more room than this, because this is about as big as this journal is going to handle. So we'll see. Hopefully I can write small, so I think this will be fun. So then we got some doodles on the right side, and in the bottom right we got a note section, just so I can categorize what I read. I categorize everything. Let's just be honest, I do. Color code everything, categorize everything. That's just me. I just like doing that, So picked this really interesting font with like a thick line on the left side and then thin lines on the right, and totally forgot to color February in, but I did it off camera, so it's okay. So for the days of the week, just picked a color and hand lettered the days, and totally messed up on Tuesday, but that's okay. I didn't even try to fix it. I thought it would just, it'd be okay. I know that's Tuesday, so but the days in, and I was like, should I color the days numbers? Nah, I think that's just going to get in the way of my categorizing because I highlight it, so I'm just going to leave that alone. So color in the light bulbs. Really love doodling these light bulbs because this is the only time, the setup part is the only time I doodle in this journal. Everything else is for Bible study, notes, prayers, all that jazz. So yeah. So I'm going to do a full spread for the word of the day because I want to add the definitions. And I just kind of left it open because I don't know how I want to do it yet. Some words might have like a couple of word definition, just a couple of words for the definition, and another word could have like a whole sentence for the definition. So I need more space, might need less space. So just kind of wing it and see how it turns out. I think it's going to be interesting because I might do some lettering as well in it. So we'll see. I think it's going to be cool, but we'll see if I mess up or not. So added those lights, and then the next page, I don't know why I decided to do the right hand side of the page first, but whatever. So is my music and projects page. So decided to separate them with a light bulb. Thought that was such a good idea because I was going to just do a line, blah, blah, blah. So then I had some space at the bottom, and so I decided to put the definition of love. So this is a definition that I kind of gathered from other Christians because I never had a good biblical Christian definition, and so got this one from different people and kind of figuring out, looking in the Bible on my own and stuff, and God revealing this to me, and I finally have peace with this definition. So it's conscious commitment to unconditionally and sacrificially giving oneself for another's ultimate good. So love that. So the left-hand side is my prayer request page, and I split it into categories this time because I needed categories. So family, friends, church, and other. So I did get a few, I think one. Anyway, prayer requests from YouTube, and I wanted to separate them so I know what I'm talking about, or like when I go back and read it to pray, I know exactly how I got this prayer request, or I'm like, who is that? I just know. So added the doodles and the color and everything, and yeah, that pretty much wraps this setup up. I just love how this journal is already evolving to what I need. So added some drop shadows to the quote page. I think it came out good. I think that added a little something, so I just really like it. So yeah, let's go to a quick flip through. So I hope this video encouraged and inspired you to journal your journey with God. It's a really important part of my walk with Christ, and I hope you can implement it into yours. So yeah, check out those videos. So if you are a new Christian, check out our free PDF, the Little Booklet, A Christian's First Steps, to help you out on your journey. I'm the WordNerd. This is Canon Cause Ministries. Check out my Instagram to see a little bit closer up pictures of my journal and see what I'm studying and whatnot. Check out my blog if you want to see what else I'm writing about and whatnot. And yeah, I hope you have a fantastic day. Remember, God loves you and He's always with you. God bless. See you in my next video.